health of a person depends very much on the health of the digestive system. A healthy gastrointestinal system is not only essential for the absorption of nutrients, but also performs very important immune and detoxification functions, such as the physiological metabolism of toxic substances. If this sensitive system is disturbed, it can lead to a significant impairment of the immune response and thus to allergic reactions, weight gain, lack of energy, or various digestive issues. A healthy person who lives a healthy life, eats a balanced diet, exercises regularly, gets enough sleep, is able to reduce negative stress in his life, and maintains healthy relationships, needs neither nutritional supplements nor detoxification. Detoxification in medicine defines the physiological metabolization and elimination of harmful substances via the liver and kidney, which is carried out by the intracellular metabolic pathways that manage the degradation of harmful foreign substances. If our bodies have all these tools, why would we talk about cleanse and restore today? In our daily lives, we absorb toxic substances through various pathways, such as the skin, the stomach, or the respiratory tract, which cannot be excreted directly through the urine or stool. An accumulation of these substances in the body would be harmful to health. To convert these substances into a form that can be excreted, organs such as the liver are capable of so-called biotransformation. However, this ability decreases with age due to reduced liver size and enzyme activity. Other factors can also influence enzyme activity and related metabolic processes. The 30-day Cleanse and Restore program can help the body with these challenges. The LEV Pack is a combination of 3 products that optimally supports your diet and lifestyle during the cleansing period. The bioavailable vitamins, minerals, and trace elements, which are partially bound to amino acids and thus help the body to better absorb vitamins and chelated minerals. Furthermore, this combination includes coenzyme Q10 and acetyl L-carnitine, which can support the metabolic processes of the cell. Also, antioxidants such as quercetin and alpha-lipoic acid can help fight oxidative stress. In addition, omega-3 fatty acids, essential oils, and vitamins D and E support the health of your joints, skin, cardiovascular system, and the brain. Lemon essential oil is rich in monoterpenes and aldehydes, which promotes the absorption of different substances in the cell and are a great support to this program. The Restored blend contains essential oils of tangerine peel, rosemary leaf, geranium flower and leaf, juniper berry, and coriander herb. This blend can support physiological metabolism and elimination of harmful substances via the liver and the kidney. This occurs in the organs via intracellular metabolic pathways that cause the breakdown of harmful foreign substances. The Zendocrine oil blend can be used internally and externally. For internal use, I recommend sufficient hydration, at least a large glass of water, 1 to 2 drops or a capsule due to the diuretic effect. It should be taken with meals in the morning and at noon, up to 3 per day. The Zengest oil blend is one of the most popular oil blends. This proprietary blend contains a unique combination of ginger, peppermint, caraway, anise, coriander seeds, tarragon, and fennel. 1 to 2 drops can be taken internally with sufficient liquid after a heavy meal or as a preventive measure before a long journey. As a convenient and easy alternative to the oil blend, I recommend the vegetarian soft gels that contain 120 milligram of Zengest per capsule. It can also be externally applied, diluted in the stomach region in order to have a positive effect on the metabolic processes through the skin. All in all, we are presented with wonderful overall compositions that give us the opportunity to influence the health of our digestive system, ourselves through its hand-picked ingredients. I also find the proprietary combination of enzymes in TerraZyme that are in short supply in the modern diet fascinating. The vegetarian HPMC capsules without sodium lauryl sulfate contain 10 active whole food enzymes. Enzymes are catalysts for almost all cellular functions and chemical reactions through the body. They are the spark plugs of our body. Without them, a cell would not be viable. They play a role in cell growth, cell healing, regeneration, and cell reproduction. They are indispensable for the digestion of nutrients and their conversion into energy which takes place in the cell. We distinguish endogenous from exogenous enzymes. Endogenous enzymes can be produced by the body itself, but we do not talk about them today. Exogenous enzymes, however, must be supplied to the body via food enzymes. These are normally found in raw, unprocessed foods and help break down nutrients during digestion. Fresh, raw foods, such as broccoli, tomatoes, cucumber, but also bananas, pineapples, figs, and papayas, contains sufficient enzymes by nature, but we destroy or change them by cooking, processing, freezing, pasteurizing, preserving, etc. This makes them inactive or useless for the body. Long transport routes, but also a too early harvest can favor this. At least 60% of the nutrients should therefore be raw and fresh, which is difficult for many people with a modern lifestyle. The 10 whole food enzymes combined with the digestive blend support healthy digestion and metabolism of industrially processed food. This proprietary combination thus helps nutrients to be converted into energy, and one gets a better food tolerance in addition to a healthy production of metabolic enzymes. DDR Prime, the Cellular Complex, is a proprietary blend of certified pure tested grade essential oils combined to support cellular health function and renewal. A combination of frankincense, wild orange, lychee, thyme, clove, summer savory, woody, and lemongrass provides a variety of benefits. Take 1 to 2 drops internally by adding them to citrus drinks, tea, or water. As part of a 30-day program or daily routine, I recommend taking 1 per day in the evening or 2 per day in the morning and evening, as cell renewal mainly takes place at night to protect the body and cells from oxidative stress. As a convenient and simple alternative to the oil blend, I recommend the vegetarian soft gels. Integrating this fascinating oil blend into our daily routine gives us the opportunity to take charge of our cellular health ourselves and support our body in its challenging task of optimally caring for the millions of little creatures inside us. GX Assist was created with both caprylic acid and essential oils as the natural way to cleanse. These ingredients create an environment in your digestive tract which is unfavorable to potential threats that cause digestive issues. This product should always be taken in combination with a probiotic to positively influence intestinal health. Probiotics are great for your gut, the digestive system, and the immune system can function at its best with them. PB Assist is a combination of prebiotics and probiotics. It encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gastrointestinal tract. It can also support your metabolism and enhance absorption of nutrients from the food you eat. A time-release, double-layered system makes it so that probiotics are protected from stomach acid. I recommend, if used on its own, to take 1 capsule 3 times daily with meals for 10 days each month. If you take it as part of quarterly cleanse after GX Assist, take 3 capsules a day for 5 days. After this period, take 1 capsule a day for 15 days. Should your digestive system be impacted by digestive stressors, you can use PB Assist more frequently or for an extended period.